Welcome back. Today we narrate to you a real-time experience of Rohan, who completed grade 12 in CBSE curriculum, and how he got admission in an engineering college. The whole journey was a roller coaster ride of emotions, setbacks, and finally, getting what he dreamed about. This is the experience of a bright and hard-working student who had a dream to crack the IIT-JEE and secure a seat in one of the prestigious IITs. Like thousands of students across India, he put in countless hours of study, burning the midnight oil, solving numerous problems, and attending coaching classes. Despite his dedication and hard work, the journey to IIT did not pan out as he had hoped, though he had attempted the January and April sessions. The IIT-JEE exams are known for their high level of difficulty and intense competition. Rohan's score, though commendable, was not enough to secure a seat in an IIT. But the determined kid didn't let this setback stop him. As his native was Tamil Nadu, he explored other options, specifically engineering colleges in Chennai through the Tamil Nadu Engineering Admissions (TNEA). However, with his class 12 marks being around 75%, securing a seat in a top college seemed challenging. Also, one has to note that there is no specific quota or separate weightage for CBSE students. Both CBSE and state board students are evaluated based on their cutoff marks. He and his family didn't lose hope. They started looking into various quotas and admission processes meant for NRIs. This is when they came across the DASA and CIWG schemes. Let's understand these schemes. DASA, Direct Admission of Students Abroad. DASA is a scheme by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. It facilitates the admission of foreign nationals, NRIs, non-resident Indians, PIOs, persons of Indian origin, and CIWG, children of Indian workers in Gulf, to undergraduate programs in engineering, architecture, and planning in NIT, IIT, SPA, and other premier technical institutions in India. CIWG, children of Indian workers in Gulf. CIWG is a subset of the DASA scheme. 1/3 of the seats in the DASA quota are reserved for CIWG candidates. The fee structure for CIWG students is the same as that for Indian students. IIT-JEE-based NEET admissions. Admissions to NEETs for Indian students are primarily based on the ranks obtained in the JEE Main exam. Students need to qualify JEE Main to be eligible for NEET admissions. Rohan, the determined kid, found out that under the CIWG scheme, he had a better chance of securing a seat in a reputable institution. He prepared and submitted his application, eagerly waiting for the results. Finally, all the hard work paid off. Rohan secured a seat in the BE program at prestigious NIT through the CIWG quota. It was a moment of immense joy and relief for Rohan and his family. Important point to remember here is that if NIT had not worked out, even in that scenario there was a hope to join good institutions through TNEA. Rohan's journey teaches us an important lesson: setbacks are not the end, but a stepping stone to new opportunities. It's essential to keep exploring and never give up. So, to all the students out there, remember that there are multiple paths to success. Keep your dreams alive, work hard, and be open to new possibilities. Your efforts will eventually lead you to where you belong. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Also, please do consider subscribing so that we feel encouraged.